I thought you were talking about my piñata. Como un poquito oscura. Forever, yeah.
Comes a little plane.
Ándale, yes. I prepared a few secret dishes for Danielle to taste test. All right, compadre, Daniel, I know that you're kind of at a disadvantage right now because you can't see, but you know what? I'm gonna challenge you. We have some beautiful dishes here that I really think speak to our Mexican heritage, our culture, and I would love for you to be able to distinguish some of these flavors.
Hey, that's a different level. Let's see how good I am.
In Mexico, we shouldn't be doing this, but here you go, come on.
Ah,
Let's
por
go.
favor.
El avión, here we go.
Oh, tiene su patadita.
Yep.
I think it's ceviche.
Yes.
Habanero.
Yes.
Habanero, okay.
You got that?
It has lemon.
Yes, of course.
It has a little bit of cilantro.
Yes. First of all, you got it straight with the ceviche, the coco, chile habanero, limón, y cilantro. Trust me, for someone that doesn't do this all the time, I think you did really well.
I don't know how much you have left, but put it on the side for me.
Of course. So this is a very interesting dish because this is going to go to something that really speaks to my upbringing. Very interested to see if you can get this one. All right, hold
Okay.
on. Dame tu mano.
Oh, this is a meatball.
Yes. Albóndiga.
Bondiga. It tastes like it has some sort of cheese as well.
Yes. What kind of cheese?
Oh, that's
Oh man, this is rough, bro. Queso fresco, vato. Okay, so here's a very important part. There's a herb that is garnishing this. No, hold on. Smell this.
hierbabuena.
Ándale,
Hierbabuena.
yes.
Hierbabuena.
There you go. All right.
It's so good.
Isn't that
it
wonderful?
Tastes so good.
This is gonna speak to both of our hearts and sort of where we're from in Mexico. So it might be an easy one, but look, that gives it away right there.
So
But I'm just saying.
Un taquito.
Yeah, yes, a taquito, pero what does it have in there? You got the plato acá abajo, baby. I know you know, but I know that you know. And you know that what I know, you know. Just say you're hungry, bro, and I'll give you another bite. So what is it, first of all?
Carnitas.
No, tacos de carne.
Carne asada.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Carne asada, yeah.
Carne asada.
Okay, quita la máscara, por favor.
Mira nada más.
Yeah, right?
This is all delicious. Cars, cuisine, and our culture are really all connected.
Absolutely. Our professions even have some similar phrases. Are you up for one of the last games? We'll see if we know some common terms used in both cooking and for car maintenance. So check it out. Ahí vamos.
He's cheating.
No, I'm not cheating. Come on. I feel confident in his non-confidence. Grill.
What is
That's a grill and that's a steak.
grill?
And that's a
It
steak.
looks like a toro.
Toro, exactly.
It's a tortuga.
That's a steak. Órale. That's incorrect.
Don't copy me.
I'm not copying you. All right, ready? Here we go. But I don't use Quaker State oil in my food, but I'm just saying, if I could, I would. Oh, you're going down on this one, buddy. I don't think you're gonna get it. All right, ready? Here we go.
Una, dos,
Tres.
tres.
Omelet?
The answer is donut.
Oh,
Donut. Piñata with dulces.
I did omelet.
Oh, donut.
Oh, donut.
I thought you were talking about my piñata.
It's another day at the office for the old Sanch.
Are you ready?
Yes, chef. Let's
It's
go.
going down, chef.
Here we go. Here we go. Ready? What?
The answer is dash.
There you go.
Salt and pepper. I was close. I'm not looking, Daniel.
Una, dos,
Remember, whoever takes this takes the whole competition.
una,
Dos,
dos, tres.
Batir. Whip.
Whip.
That's a whip. Oh man.
Batido.
Yeah. Batir de mano. You know, like batir is to whip. So we're kind of both right on that one, I guess, right?
Yeah, because that's Spanish.
That's in Spanish. Yours is in English.
So who is the winner?
I guess it's a tie.
Okay, it's a tie.
Yeah. What an awesome day of bringing our cars, our cuisine, and culture together. Thanks for our friends at Quaker State for making it all happen.
Now, there is only one thing left to do before we hit the road onto our next adventure.
Let me see. Energize our engines?
Así mismo.
Well, I couldn't agree with you more, Danielle. Vámonos.
Let's hit the road.